Acid rain. We are aware that normally rainwater has a pH of 5.6 due to the presence of H plus ions formed by the reaction of rainwater with carbon dioxide present in the atmosphere. When the pH of the rainwater drops below 5.6, it is called acid rain. Acid rain refers to the ways in which acid from atmosphere is deposited on the earth's surface. Oxides of nitrogen and sulfur, which are acidic in nature, can be blown by wind along with solid particles in the atmosphere and finally settle down either on the ground as dry